Pinto.
Kumikinang. As you can see, guys. Hoy, nagaso. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, i-continue natin yung iniwanan natin. Char, babalikan. Ayun, so i-continue natin yung part guys kung saan we need to swatch all the stuffs or all the makeup that we had from the very first haul natin sa Pink Flash products. So today, we're gonna try 3 products for the cheeks part and for the eyes part. I have here 3 and these are Pink Flash highlighter, Pink Flash blush on, and Pink Flash contour. So these 3 products that I have here in my hand, we're gonna swatch and put this on our face so that we could give a review and we could tell guys if this is a good product from them. So right now I'm actually wearing makeup there. As you can see, I have blush on and stuffs on my cheeks. So we're gonna remove that later on and we're gonna put this makeup on our face and we're gonna see and give a review if yun, maganda ba or what are the pros and cons of these products. Huwag na natin patagalin to guys. Let's go. Before natin i-try yung tatlong products, I'm gonna introduce you again with this makeup tools from them still. So I have here these brushes. Napakita na ko to sa inyo guys nung first part ng vlog natin about Pink Flash haul. So right now, I'm gonna let you see again. We're gonna use these 2 brushes sa pag-apply ng mga products on our cheeks and on our eyes. When you look at it guys, maganda siya. And when you touch it, maganda rin siya. Kasi nga, it really made up of hair-like materials. But then, the question is, maganda ba siyang gamitin if together with the product or may product sa top of it and then we're gonna put that on our face. If it goes together and if ma-blend niya yung product itself sa face natin. Okay? We're gonna remove the makeup on our cheeks and on our eyes. We're still gonna use this wipes. My favorite wipes from Sanken. Nakasagabal kasi yung mga buhok-buhok guys. I'm also excited trying blush on and the 2 other products from them that I've shown you earlier guys kasi it's another shade of blush on that I could try. Ayan, wala na sa cheeks for the eyes. Ayan guys, bare months na guys and I wish you all a fruitful bare months, all of the bare months. Woo! Sana maging maganda yung mga bare months nating lahat. First, we will try the contour, then right after that is the blush on and then the highlighter. Since tinanggal natin yung mga stuff sa face natin guys like the blush on and concealer, I put back the base kasi kasali rin siyang natanggal. So, ayan, nilagyan ko na siya ng base and ng concealer. And we will go on to the contour part. May dalawang shades kasi sila ng contour. The other one is yung mas dark. And this one is the lighter one. I actually ordered a lighter shade of contour kasi I think siya ang bagay sa skin tone ko. Let's start this contour part. And I'm gonna use this brush. Ayan. May shape na kayong nakikita guys. Konti pa lang yung nalalagay ko. Ayan. Na-contour talaga yung face natin guys. Parang lumiit na siya ng konti. Okay, the other side. Kailangan talagang nakanguso. Okay, so may contour na din yung other part ng face natin, guys. Ayan. Lumiit. Lumiit siya, guys. Parang nagpaano lang tayo. Nagpa-surgery. let's review first the contour, guys. It is not that much pigmented. Parang sinuntok lang ako. Hindi siya gaanong light, hindi rin siya gaanong makapal or pigmented. But then, the good thing of this contour is that blendable siya. And you can also control kung gaanong amount lang yung ilalagay mo sa face mo. Like this amount that I have right here in my face. I am not fan with contour, guys. I am not putting contour every day or every time I go somewhere or may lakad ako, yan. But then, I just tried their contour kasi nga, I wanted to test it. I wanted to let you see then. At gusto ko rin makita kung ano ang kalalabasan pag ginamit natin yung contour nila. If it really shapes our face or if it is blendable, if it is pigmented or something and like that. Ayan, so nakita na natin na we do not need to put too much or hindi natin kailangan i-push too hard or sobrang ganyan para ma-blend lang siya kasi nga blendable siya. So, if i-compare natin yung stick sa powder, guys, I am not sure if which is which. Alin yung maganda at alin yung medyo mahirap gamitin. Kasi nga, hindi ko pa matry na mag-contour using the sticks and the powder. So, this is just my training part and my first time using this contour stuff. But then, ayan, nakuha natin kaagad kasi nga blendable siya, easy to use, budget friendly, and of course, handy rin siya kasi nga maliit lang. So, di pa tayo tapos, we need to put contour here on our forehead para mas mag-shape pa rin siya. Para hindi puting-puti yung mukha natin sa concealer and sa foundation or sa base natin. So, we need to put contour also on our forehead. So, it is good thing, guys, na I chose the lighter shade of contour kasi nga, para mas light lang yung makeup natin, mas bagay siya sa skin tone natin kasi lighter shade din yung mukha natin. Ayan. May shade na yung forehead natin. It's lighter brown. And also here, on our chin, ayan. So, contour, guys, is somehow alternative for surgeries. If you wanted to look like your face na maliit, that you do not need to undergo surgery or other stuff that is medical, you can do the contouring, you can shape it using contour, and I recommend also Pink Flash kasi nga easy to use siya, guys. Ayan. We're done contouring our face at lumiit na siya. Next, let's move on to the blush on. Ayan. So, their blush on as well, they have actually 3 or 4 shades of this. Nakalimutan ko talaga, guys. Hindi ko pa rin nakikita sa Shopee ulit kung ilang shade yung blush on nila, but then they have more than 2 shades of blush on. At yung brush nila, guys, is napakagandang gamitin kasi nga it easily blends the product in your face kasi smooth yung hair-like dito sa brush. And tingnan nyo. Ang dali-dali ko lang nag-blend, guys. It only took me how many seconds or 1 minute for my contour. Kasi the brush itself is nagko-cooperate. And we need a brush, guys, na alam niyo yun, cooperative. So, I have here the blush on. We're gonna put that in the upper part of the contour. Tap-tap lang natin, guys. Ayan, did you see that? Wow. So, the blush on, guys, is very pigmented. Buti na lang, hindi marami yung nalagay ko. The other side. Ayan, we're done with our blush on. And I forgot something, guys. Sa contour natin, we need to put also contour on our nose para mas mag-shape yung dapa nating nose. And I'm gonna use this another brush, yung 2 ends brush natin kasi this one is for eyes and nose. And this one also is for the eyes and nose. So, magagamit siya in both ways. Let's have our nose. Para magmukhang hindi dapa yung ilong natin, guys. May nakikita na ba kayong difference? To put it pa konti-konti kasi nga baka malagyan nyo ng marami and magdarken yung nose nyo. Ayan. Yan, mukhang matangos na yung ilong natin. Salamat sa Contour Pink Flash. So since we are done with our blush on still, we will also gonna use the other end of this two-end brush for our eyes. Yeah, lighter shade for the eyes. Alam nyo guys, hindi ako masyadong gumagamit ng brush kasi nga, mas gusto kong kinakamay. Aside na lang sa mga malalaking event, I use brush. But then if casual days, casual na lakad, I just use my hand putting something on my blush on or on my eyes. Kasi mas comfortable akong maglagay ng mga products pag kinakamay ko. But then, I am doing this for all of you guys using this brush. Para mas makita nyo kung nagbe-blend talaga yung product using the brush of Pink Flash. And then, there you go. Maganda rin yung blush on nila guys kasi their blush on is pigmented but then it is still blendable. As you can see, konting-konti lang talaga yung nilagay ko guys and you just need to blend it well kasi their blush on is also blendable and easy to use. So we're not yet done. Lalagyan pa natin sila ng shimmer. We'll put shimmer guys on the part of here and here and also here on the nose. And we're gonna use this small angled brush. Ayan, did you see it? Nagsishimmer siya guys. See? The other part as well. Nagsishimmer na yung eyebrows natin. Let's also put here. Ayan, nag-glow na yung face natin. Yung cheeks natin, guys. Parang may mantika lang. But the blush on itself is may shimmer na siya, guys. Pero, hindi gaanong maraming shimmer. But then, it is still good. If you don't like putting too much shimmer on your face, you can just use the plain blush on kasi nga, may konting shimmer na siya. So if you put it on your face, the blush on itself, there is already shimmer on it. So you do not need lots of highlighter if you are not fond with highlighter. So we're also done putting on our nose. At ayan. Guys, my nose, parang matango siya sa camera. Thank you, Pink Flash. So, as you can see, guys, kumikinang na yung ilong natin, yung here sa under the eyebrows and above the blush on and contour. Kasi it's because of the highlighter that we've put on it. And hindi madami yung nilagay ko, guys. Kasi there are people na gustong-gusto nila yung highlighter, guys. Like, they wanted to, yung naiinitan sila at yung highlighter nila is kumikinang talaga. There are people like that. And somehow, ganyan rin yung gusto ko na parang kumikinang yung mukha ko. But then, ayan, binigay ng Pink Flash. Binigay ni Pink Flash yung gusto natin. Kumikinang yung mukha natin. So, this is also a good buy na bumili kayo ng Pink Flash products just like this highlighter, this contour, and this blush on. Because all of this, guys, is magaganda talaga. I can say that they are a good buy. Kasi nga, as what I have said earlier, their blush on, you can use this plainly. It is like walang shimmer kasi may konting shimmer na siya. So, if you wanted also na maraming shimmer yung mukha mo, you can also use their highlighter because their highlighter as well could give you the shimmer that you want. Tingnan nyo yung mukha ko. And then for their contour, they also give what you want, contouring your face, the shape that you want. Ibibigay ng contour ng Pink Flash, guys. Ito na yung mukha natin with the contour, with the highlighter, and with the blush on from Pink Flash. Ta-da! So, for the final touch, we're still gonna use this BYS product. This is the compact powder na lagi kong ginagamit for the baking part. And I'm gonna use this Nichido brush. You need to set your face, guys, para hindi madaling matanggal yung makeup nyo. So, you need to set your face. As I am, guys, naglalagay rin ako ng highlighter sa bandang ibabaw ng lips ko. Here. Ayan. I-zoom in natin yung mukha natin, guys. Kumikinang, parang diamond. Ganda niya tingnan. Like, if you are in an event, special events, special occasions, magandang gamitin yung Pink Flash, guys. Kasi, it is also somehow the same as other brands na nagbibigay ng glow or nagbibigay ng impact. Nagbibigay ng impact sa mukha mo if you put makeup using their products. So, kasi malapit na yung 9/9, it is your signal, this is your sign, guys, na bumili na kayo ng Pink Flash products. Yung mga na-swatch and na-try na natin kasi nga, maganda. Magandang maganda. I hope you like the products na sinwatch natin ngayon. Trinay natin sa mukha natin. And we also give a review to it. Continuing sa mga products na trinay na din natin from Pink Flash. I'm gonna give another review. We will also gonna swatch it. Yung mga natitirang products from Pink Flash na nasa haul natin from the very beginning. And still, eto yung gagawin natin para mas makita natin if Pink Flash will still continuously doing their job or continuously giving the best out of everything that they are producing. Okay? Because there are lots of people, guys, especially mga babae na gumagamit ng makeup. And this review will also help people or women or malalaki, mababae man yan. It will help them. This review will help them kasi nga ito-try natin yung mga products from Pink Flash. So, there are remaining products na nasa haul natin that we will also still be trying it. So, I hope nasubaybayan nyo pa rin yung pag-try natin sa mga products ng Pink Flash from the unboxing part of our vlog. So, thank you so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for more videos for all of you guys. Please stay safe, stay healthy, and stay gorgeous. Bye!